Today I'm going to explain problem 15 of AMC 12B of 2022. And I've written our 5 answer choices here. So, one of the following numbers is not divisible by any prime number less than 10. Which is it? So, there are actually many ways to solve this problem, but I'm just going to explain 2 ways. Both of them having to look at all our answer choices. So the first thing to notice is we want, let's just state all the primes that are less than 10. They can't be 1. So it's 2, 3, 5, and 7. So we want to find the one that's not divisible by any of these. Let's take a look at every single answer choice. Let's start with the A. 2 to the power of 606 minus 1. This is 4 to the power of 303 minus 1. According to equations, this is just 4 minus 1 times 4 to the power of 302 plus 4 to the power of 301, etc. Add all the way to 4 to the power of 0. Now, we immediately know that this answer is incorrect because it is divisible by a prime number, 3. So this ain't correct. Let's take a look at case number B. 2 to the power of 606 plus 1, 4 to the power of 303 plus 1, 4 plus 1 times 4 to the power of 302 minus 4 to the power of 301 plus minus, yeah, you get the idea. And then you add all the way to the 4 to the power of 0. Anyway, this is also incorrect because it can be multiplied by a prime number, 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5. This one's wrong again. Now, let's take a look at this third option, C. 2 to the power of 607 minus 1. 607 is a prime number. It can't be broken up into anything. This will just be 2 minus 1 times 2 to the power of 606 plus 2 to the power of 605, etc. all the way to 2 to the power of 0. Hence, we see that this is a 1 here, which is not a prime number less than 10 in this case. So we don't have to check these last 2 answer choices because we know that C is correct since it can't be divided by any of these and only divided by 1. So therefore, C is our answer for this solution of the problem. In this second solution of the problem, we will use a rule or a rule thing known as the Mersenne primes. Basically, it states that 2 to the power of n minus 1 is prime if n is prime. Now, given that, let's just see which one's correct. Just by looking at it, we can cross out all the ones that has plus 1. B is wrong, D is wrong, and E is wrong. That only leaves us with A and C. Notice that the number is only prime when n is prime. And let's take A, for example. 606 is not prime. So in this case, while using this principle, we know that C is the correct answer.